what advice would you give the teachers present here today for their exchanges?
Okay, so I would like to tell you 3 things. The first thing is try to keep close contact with the school you're going to be paired with. Try to have meetings, to have a good conversation and a good flow. That is going to make easier your exchange. The second one is relax and adapt the materials to your students, to your needs, to your resources, because we all know that not all public schools have the same and not all groups are the same. So don't get stressed because you don't have the same group as another person. Just stick with the things you have and try to adapt it to your reality. And the third one, most important, enjoy it. These type of exchanges and projects are an incredible opportunity, and they can make a huge difference in your students. So if you enjoy it and you enjoy the process, I'm sure your students will do the same, because students are very, very eager and they love being part of different things and new things that are not everyday language classes.